proposal has been submitted to the US SEC to designate XRP as a strategic financial asset for the United States. However, it's important to clarify that this proposal did not originate from the SEC itself, but was rather submitted to the SEC by an external party. This means the SEC can either accept or reject it, and it is not an official confirmation of XRP's new status. There was some confusion about this when the news first broke, leading to some misinterpretations. Initially, it was believed that the SEC itself had proposed this classification, but after reviewing the details, it turns out that this is an independent proposal that aims to position XRP as a key financial asset within the U.S. economy. This document was submitted as part of the Crypto Task Force's written contributions, an initiative meant to develop a regulatory framework for digital assets. The proposal argues that XRP could revolutionize the financial system, generate billions in economic benefits, and offer the U.S. a competitive advantage in digital finance. Although this sounds promising, it's essential to remain realistic. A proposal alone does not guarantee approval. The SEC still has to evaluate and decide whether to integrate XRP into its financial strategy. Additionally, any regulatory clarity for XRP would likely only come after the lawsuit with the SEC is fully resolved. Meanwhile, the crypto market remains volatile, largely due to Bitcoin's ongoing correction of nearly 2.8% and Ethereum's decline of 3%. Despite this, XRP is holding steady, showing resilience with marginal gains of 0.46%. Other assets like XLM are performing strongly, maintaining a 4.7% increase, even as the broader market struggles. Examining the official document, it highlights that XRP could replace SWIFT as a primary financial network for international transactions. This reinforces Ripple's long-term vision of positioning XRP as a cross-border payment solution. However, it's crucial to understand that this does not mean an immediate transition. The SEC's Crypto Task Force is still reviewing submissions, and no final decisions have been made. This document was submitted by Maximilian Stauninger, advocating for XRP's full adoption within the U.S. financial system. If accepted, this could significantly increase XRP's utility and demand, driving higher adoption among institutions. However, the real challenge lies in obtaining official recognition. Without regulatory approval, XRP remains in a legal gray area, and this is why the outcome of the SEC lawsuit remains critical. Ripple CTO David Schwartz recently weighed in on the Ethereum versus XRP debate, pointing out Ethereum's favorable treatment in the regulatory space. He highlighted that Ethereum was sold privately before its blockchain even existed, meaning early investors funded its launch before any ledger was operational. Meanwhile, XRP was treated differently, despite similarities in how both projects raised funds. This discrepancy is at the heart of what's known as EthereumGate, the controversy over why Ethereum received regulatory leniency, while XRP faced legal scrutiny. Now, the SEC appears to be reconsidering XRP's classification, debating whether it should be treated similarly to Ethereum as a commodity instead of security. This suggests that the lawsuit may be nearing its conclusion, and Ripple's negotiations with the SEC are likely centered around removing restrictions on institutional XRP sales. One of the biggest obstacles remaining is the ban on Ripple selling XRP to institutional investors. Before former SEC Chairman Gary Gensler left office, he enforced restrictions that prevented Ripple from conducting large-scale institutional XRP sales. Now, Ripple is pushing to lift these restrictions, as institutional adoption is key to driving XRP's long-term growth. The timing of this proposal to the SEC is significant. If XRP is indeed reclassified as a strategic financial asset, This could open doors for mainstream institutional integration, potentially boosting its price and adoption. However, regulatory uncertainty still looms, and it's likely that no major decisions will be made until after the lawsuit is settled. To summarize, this proposal to the SEC is not yet official policy. It was submitted by an external party advocating for XRP's adoption as a strategic financial asset. While the arguments in favor of XRP are strong, it remains to be seen whether the SEC will act on them. Before anything significant happens, Ripple must first secure regulatory clarity through the lawsuit resolution, but it's crucial to stay informed and patient as these developments unfold. The crypto space is full of manipulation and misinformation, so it's essential to analyze each update carefully. If approved, this could be a game changer for XRP, but for now, we wait and see how the SEC responds.